Okay, so this is just a quick video. This is a whole blood sample smear. It's probably no more than 5 seconds out of my fingertip. And I just want to scan through the different levels of magnification to see what sorts of detail is visible. So this is at the lowest magnification. Let's see if I can get some movement visible here. Looks like it's done spreading out, so see the densest cells here on the edge. And we're just kind of, this is good because you can see a lot of flow there. So I can go to the next one. If you want to try this at home, it's not super dangerous. Just use very clean materials. I'd recommend like a lancet from a diabetes test kit, something nice and sterile. You need a band-aid afterwards. And yeah, so that direction change is probably either temperature or me bumping the scope. So I don't know, it's probably platelets accumulating, and then a bunch of red blood cells. So the majority of what you're seeing here is blood cells. The rouleaux that you see, it's probably because of how thin the preparation is. But then again, oh, and see, that's neat. So just a little bit of flexion on the slide, and everything begins to move. So, but it's neat because you can see the cell movement. And I'll move away from the edge here, and we'll go to the center. Let's see, there you go. So, it'd be cool if we see some white blood cells. Yeah, there we go. Oh, just lost it. You'll see some kind of like blobby looking, I think that's one right there in the middle. I'm trying to get them centered. There you go, right there. So, let me zoom in one more so you can get a good look at him. Okay, so this is highest magnification. Trying to get it focused correctly. But yeah, okay, there we go. We can see a little bit of detail in the I think it's a phagocyte, the white blood cell, and then it's pretty cool. So this slide may have some contaminants on it. It's not laboratory grade, and I reuse them, so I may have some other stuff in here. I don't know, but pretty cool. Oh, there's looks like a platelet there in the bottom left corner. Platelets kind of, I think they swim around. I hope they swim around. At least that's what I've seen from my research. Let me zoom back out here. I do have a couple of artifacts on the camera itself. I haven't been able to clean those out. I think they're on the inside of the lens cover, inside of the sensor cover itself. So that's human whole blood. I'll zoom out all the way again, get a nice panorama, or not a panorama, nice landscape. There you go. And I may have some moisture on this lens, that's why it looks a little foggy. So I need to figure out what all that's about. I think that this edge is where all the platelets are accumulating, and that may be part of the process of clotting. Yeah, so I think it's interesting. We can see that those definitely aren't red blood cells, and so I think that's how blood is attempting to coagulate. Right there it is. We're just on an air gap. There's a bubble there. Again, going in for max magnification. And, oh, wow, that's kind of cool. So they kind of have like a honeycomb structure. They look like little plates. So yeah, those probably are platelets. Those are red blood cells clumping together. I'm not sure why they're doing that. This formation, I believe, is called rouleaux. Could be either due to high protein, diabetes, or poor preparation of the slide. So, kind of interesting.